All in all, with this device, I would give it a 10. No, let me see. All in all, I'd give it an 8.5 out of 10. I do like that it has the bristles here. They're pretty soft. They don't snag your hair. It's very powerful. But the only thing I don't like is that this little turning knob is down here. It'd be nice if there was a switch on and off, up and down, right in this area. Because generally if you're working with your one hand, you're gonna need to kind of stop and twist and turn this. So it's a little inconvenient, but other than that, this thing rocks. And as you can see, my hair is basically straightened. Like, it wouldn't take anything to get this to get a little bit more silky. Wouldn't take a lot of heat at all, so yeah, this will cut down a lot of styling time for sure if you're a straight natural. Or even if you like to switch up your style every now and again, I would definitely recommend this. It's a lot easier than having to hold a brush and then take your blow dryer and try to, you know, blow your hair out that way. A lot of times I find that when I'm doing that, my other hair will just be flying all around and it gets all tangled in each other. This doesn't do that. The Revlon, hey, I would say this is definitely natural, curly girl friendly. If you haven't tried it yet, check it out. Retailed about $39 at Ulta, which is not bad for a blow dryer. At this good quality on high, it definitely punches, kicks a lot of heat out. So if you're scared of heat, definitely use a heat protector like I did here. So yeah, again, Revlon, you did your thing, and it's cute and sleek and pink, my favorite color, if you can't tell by my slight background here. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're returning, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what other fun stuff you'd like me to try out on my natural hair, and what other videos you'd like to see from me. And until next time, keep on shining.